PiNetwork has captivated the attention of millions with its promise of accessible cryptocurrency mining. Its mobile-first approach has attracted a vast user base, eager to participate in the world of digital assets. The allure of earning cryptocurrency through a simple phone app is undeniable. This has led to widespread speculation and at times misinformation regarding Pi's true value and potential. The recent surge in PiNetwork's popularity has been fueled by rumors and claims circulating online. These claims often lack credible evidence and contribute to unrealistic expectations within the community. It's crucial to approach such information with a critical eye and rely on verified sources for accurate insights. The world of cryptocurrency is rife with speculation. Navigating this landscape requires a discerning approach, separating genuine opportunities from unfounded hype. Understanding the fundamentals of blockchain technology, market dynamics, and the importance of official information is paramount. This essay aims to provide a balanced and informative perspective on PiNetwork. One particularly egregious claim circulating online asserts that one Pi coin is worth a staggering $314,159. This claim is unequivocally false and lacks any basis in reality. No reputable source or market data supports this valuation. It's crucial to understand that PiNetwork is still in its early stages of development. Pi has not yet been listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges. Its price is not subject to the same market forces as established cryptocurrencies. The $314,159 figure appears to be based on arbitrary calculations and wishful thinking, rather than any tangible evidence. Spreading such misinformation is irresponsible and creates unrealistic expectations among PiNetwork users. It's essential to rely on credible sources of information. Look to established cryptocurrency data websites, official announcements from the Pi core team, and analysis from reputable industry experts. These sources provide reliable insights into PiNetwork's actual market performance and potential. Amidst the speculation and hype, a significant development is on the horizon for PiNetwork. The upcoming ecosystem update scheduled for May 14, 2025. This update is expected to introduce new features and functionalities to the PiNetwork. This signals a crucial step towards the network's maturation and its goal of creating a robust and decentralized ecosystem. The update has generated considerable excitement within the community. It's seen as a potential catalyst for increased adoption and value appreciation of Pi. However, it's essential to temper expectations and avoid unrealistic projections.
The success of the update will depend on various factors. These include its smooth implementation, the quality and adoption of new features, and the overall market sentiment towards PiNetwork. It's crucial to monitor official announcements from the Pi core team for details regarding the update and its implications.
While the $314,159 claim is entirely unfounded, it's important to understand Pi's actual market valuation. As of May 9, 2025, Pi is trading at approximately 63 cents, reflecting an 8% increase in the past 24 hours. The trading volume has surged by an impressive 119%, reaching $117.5 million. This surge in trading activity suggests growing interest in PiNetwork. However, it's essential to note that Pi is primarily traded on smaller exchanges. It's not yet listed on major platforms like Binance or Coinbase. This limited accessibility contributes to price volatility and makes it challenging to determine a definitive market value for Pi.
It's crucial to approach these figures with caution. Remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. Prices can fluctuate rapidly based on various factors, including market sentiment, regulatory news, and technological developments. Section 5. Binance listing, speculation versus confirmation. The potential listing of PiNetwork on Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, has fueled intense speculation within the community. Rumors have been circulating based on on-chain activity observed on May 7, 2025. Small amounts of Pi were moved through a Binance Stellar deposit wallet previously associated with Binance. This activity has led some to believe that these transactions could be test runs for integration. While a Binance listing would undoubtedly be a significant milestone for PiNetwork, it's crucial to emphasize that no official confirmation has been made by either Binance or the Pi core team. Relying on speculation and rumors can be misleading and lead to disappointment. It's essential to wait for official announcements from both parties before drawing any conclusions. A Binance listing would provide Pi with increased liquidity, exposure to a wider audience, and, potentially, a price surge. However, it's important to remember that exchange listings are not guaranteed and depend on various factors, including regulatory compliance and due diligence. Section 6 PiNetwork's Ascent, Growth and Adoption. Despite the speculative frenzy surrounding PiNetwork, it's essential to acknowledge its impressive growth and adoption rate. With over 19 million KYC verified users and more than 10 million Mainnet migrations, PiNetwork has demonstrated its ability to attract a substantial user base.
Its unique mobile mining model has lowered the barrier to entry for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Pi's focus on building a robust ecosystem with over 100 decentralized applications in development further strengthens its potential for long-term success. The project's emphasis on security, utilizing strict KYC measures to prevent bots and fake accounts, is commendable. It fosters a more trustworthy and sustainable ecosystem.
Additionally, PiNetwork's commitment to energy efficiency leveraging the Stellar Consensus Protocol aligns with the growing demand for environmentally friendly blockchain solutions. Section 7. Navigating the risks, token, unlocking, and price volatility. While PiNetwork exhibits promising growth and potential, it's crucial to acknowledge the inherent risks and challenges it faces. One significant risk is the upcoming token unlocking schedule. Over 1.4 billion Pi, worth over $850 million at current prices, will be unlocked over the next year, including 231 million this month.
This massive influx of Pi into the circulating supply could exert downward pressure on its price, potentially leading to a decline if demand doesn't keep pace. Additionally, the cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile. Prices can fluctuate dramatically based on various factors, including market sentiment, regulatory news, and technological developments. PiNetwork is not immune to these fluctuations. Its price could experience significant swings in either direction. It's crucial to invest only what you can afford to lose and approach the market with a long-term perspective.
Section 8. A call for prudence. Relying on verified information. In the midst of the hype and speculation surrounding PiNetwork, it's more crucial than ever to exercise prudence and rely on verified information. The internet is awash with misinformation, rumors, and outright scams seeking to capitalize on the excitement surrounding cryptocurrencies. Always verify information from multiple sources before making any decisions. Seek out official announcements from the Pi core team, consult reputable cryptocurrency news outlets, and rely on analysis from trusted industry experts. Avoid relying solely on social media or online forums where misinformation can spread rapidly. Remember that if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The $314,159 claim is a prime example of how easily misinformation can spread and create unrealistic expectations. By approaching the information landscape with a critical eye and relying on verified sources, you can make more informed decisions about your involvement with PiNetwork. Section 9. Conclusion. The future of PiNetwork, a balanced perspective. PiNetwork has undoubtedly captured the attention of millions worldwide. Its mobile-first approach, growing ecosystem, and ambitious vision have generated considerable excitement. However, it's crucial to approach PiNetwork with a balanced perspective, acknowledging both its potential and the challenges it faces.
The upcoming ecosystem update on May 14th holds promise for the network's future. However, it's essential to temper expectations and avoid unrealistic price predictions. The cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile. Pi's price will likely experience fluctuations in the coming months and years. The potential for a Binance listing is exciting, but remains speculative until confirmed by official sources.
By focusing on the fundamentals, technological development, ecosystem growth, and community engagement, PiNetwork has the potential to carve out a unique space for itself in the evolving landscape of cryptocurrencies. However, its success hinges on the Pi core team's ability to execute its roadmap, navigate regulatory challenges, and deliver on its promises. As with any investment, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, invest responsibly, and remain informed about the project's development.